know about you guys, but I'm running out on empty here.
Me too!
Hey, beer run!
Beer run!
Wait, you guys can't go. You're too drunk to drive.
No, I'm fine.
You can't go. Give me your keys. You gotta give me your keys. Come on.
Liz,
you can drive. Let's go.
Bye.
Did you know that alcohol is the #1 killer of teenagers? More than 3,500 teenagers are killed and another 85,000 are injured each year in alcohol-related accidents. Some of those killed may have been innocent victims of drunk drivers. Every 23 minutes, another person dies in an alcohol-related automobile crash. That person could be your prom queen, your friend, maybe even you. Last but certainly not least, if you're going to drink, think. Don't drink and drive. Think about how you would feel if a drunk driver killed someone you love.